Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 4 to the power of 30 plus 4 to the power of 30 plus 4 to the power of 30 plus 4 to the power of 30. Now, because all of these terms are the same, I'm actually going to factor out 4 to the power of 30 from this problem. So now we have 4 to the power of 30 times 4 to the power of 30 divided by 4 to the power of 30 is 1, plus 4 to the power of 30 divided by 4 to the power of 30 is 1, plus, we're going to do the same thing, 1, and finally 1. So now we have 4 to the power of 30 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So now I'm actually going to simplify what's in the parentheses. This is equal to 4. So now we have 4 times 4 to the power of 30. Now 4, well, this is the same thing as 4 to the power of 1. So now we have 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of 30. And when we're actually multiplying exponents, so let's say we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n. This is actually equal to a to the power of m plus n. So as you can see, we keep the base the same and we simply add the exponents. So this would equal, well, think of 4 as a. So we would have 4 to the power of, think of 30 as m and 1 as n. We add the exponents. So 30 plus 1. This is equal to 4 to the power of 31. Now, another way of doing this, and actually a simpler way, is instead of factoring out 4 to the power of 30, well, we just have 4 to the power of 30 4 times. So this is just simply 4 to the power of 30 times 4, because it's just 4 times. And this will automatically bring you here, and then you just multiply these two. So that's a simpler way of doing it. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this equation. So we have x plus x plus x is equal to x times x times x. Now, what we're first going to do is we're going to simplify both sides. So let's first start by adding these three x's. X plus x, well, that's 2x, and 2x plus x is 3x. So we have 3x is equal to, now x times x, well, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we have x to the power of 1. All of these degrees are 1. So meaning x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1, this would equal x to the power of 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have x squared. Now x squared times x to the power of 1 again, because we got to multiply with the other x, this would equal to x to the power of 2 plus 1, which is x cubed. So we have 3x is equal to x cubed. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by x. So for the left-hand side, these two cancel out, so I'd simply just have 3 is equal to Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of 3 over x to the power of 1, this is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so this is equal to x squared. So we have 3 is equal to x squared. Now, we want to cancel this power out, so I'm actually going to take the square root on both sides, because remember, the root is the opposite of the power. So what I do to one side, I have to do the other side. So these two cancel out, and on our right-hand side, we simply have x is equal to the square root of 3. And the square root is actually a plus or minus. So this is actually a plus or minus square root of 3. This would be negative root 3 or positive root 3. So this is our answer.